Good morning, and this is my day 170. And I have a headache right now. It's not really that bad, but I still feel it a little bit, especially when I'm not doing anything. I just got back from work, and right after this, I think I'm gonna rest. And yeah, that's pretty much the things that I want to do right now. I did both two jackets, and let me show you the jacket. So this one is Nike. So if you like it in the future, just know that it happens today that you were walking on the sidewalk and you see a jacket. It's not really the jacket that caught your attention, but you bought it nonetheless with the jacket that caught your attention, this one. So if you happen to like this jacket, especially now that you have a motorcycle and you're planning to do long ride, so you have two new jacket that you can use for long ride. And I will not use it because it's a bit itchy. I don't know, probably because it's on the sidewalk that I bought it, but I will just wash it now. So it's the time of the day that I want to really entry or express myself. So right now, I still have my TikTok because I have a 1 gigabyte free or 1 free gigabyte every day for TikTok, although I didn't use most of the gigs or data that I have. But what mostly I see on my page is about a single word, just so you know, or if you happen to notice, or if someone or if let me construct it this way. Just so you know, you have to change the way how you think. It's not what will you regret, because that future is uncertain, but what is one thing that you are willing to take blame for. So that's owning the accountability. So like if you were planning to choose a big decision, so choose the one that you yourself are comfortable being blamed on. And also, just so you know, you happen to live a long life. So another one would be, I wouldn't be bothered by the things, because if I can say change it,